Here's another fun, easy way to serve this. Just get a regular plate. You can do something just like this. Going around. Look at how beautiful these shrimp look. You're going to have everybody coming over wanting to have lunch with you. Just do something like this, keeping all the tails basically the same way. We're going to go around. Oh, that one, yeah, same way, same way. I'm just going to go around the whole plate like this until you get a full circle of shrimp, like so. And of course, this one, do like that. Actually, it should go like that to keep all the tails. Come over here, fill your cocktail sauce in the middle. And you can just have this out on your plate, you know. I mean, have it on your table. Put it right in the center. That right in the center, and you can put a little lemon wedges around like this. So if somebody wants to put a little lemon, and you have little side plates. You put little side plates so they can come and serve what they want. Here's a nice, easy way to do it, and people could just help themselves. Shrimp cocktail here on Expert Village.